Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This was one of my best images with the Milky Way that I recently captured at the Turdas Gorge. Usually the best images with the Milky Way have also beautiful landscapes, mountains, lakes. So I suggest to find a dark location that has also some amazing landscapes. I took more images that night with the Milky Way in different positions and a short plan of exposures on each one. I wanted to do more, however, I was also capturing the Perseid meteor shower. To be able to get this amazing result, I used all 15 images that I got with this framing of the Milky Way and stacked them in Sequator. It's a free software that will allow you to stack the images and get a better image with better signal to noise ratio. This means you'll have less noise and better dynamic range and better signal in your images. And you'll be able to get better results when processing this image compared with a single exposure. Very important is to stack also because in Sequator I was able to remove large amount of light pollution. Removing light pollution is very important because if you don't remove the light pollution, you'll have a lot of problems getting the right colors here, good color balancing and good contrast. Also, the equipment that you will use will matter. Here I used a 14mm ultra-wide lens with f2.4, a bright lens that could capture a lot of sky. So I suggest use the fastest lens that you have. The only way you should not use at the lower aperture if that lens will make a lot of chromatic aberrations. Here the Samyang 40mm premium used with Nikon D7-200. If we zoom in at 100%, we won't notice any aberrations here. It makes very small fringing in some brighter stars, but nothing to worry about. At f2.4 is still very sharp, especially in center. Do not miss also the next tutorial to see how I processed the Milky Way using Adobe Photoshop. If you enjoyed watching the video and find it useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and until next time, clear sky.